Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. We are here with Peppa. Hello, everyone. Peppa, what are we doing today? I see a turtle. What's the turtle doing? Its head is inside the shell. We want to pop the turtle's head out, and we can do that together. And we learn shapes and colors at the same time. Blue circle. Orange triangle. Red square. What shape is this, Peppa? I need to count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a purple pentagon. And we have one last shape. Watch what happens to the turtle's head when Peppa pushes it. It's a yellow star. It popped out. Let's try that again. Push the yellow star, Peppa. Pop. One more time. Okay, Peppa, let's show everyone what happens when we push the head back in. Ready? Look. The buttons all pop back up. Wee, 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 wee. Woo! I'm all right. Oh, Peppa, don't stand in the way of the turtle's head next time. I won't. Goodbye, friends.